On a mission now, we serving roadblocks, taking no shots, see the vision now. This from the ground up, put the rounds up, now we in and out. I see no limits, counting digits, it's no backing now. Check the check, we cashing now.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Also, welcome back to Fireworks Mania. Always wanted to say teardown. I'm so into that, you know. But we are now focusing on Fireworks Mania. People that want to see Fireworks Mania are gonna be very happy. We are back with a very small pack from Aleks. This is Alex's. I did rehearse it, but of course I forgot again. But it's Alex's. Yeah, it really says it on the website. It has 12 likes, so that's a lot of likes. It's really nice. Fireworks pack Norway edition. Yeah, look at that. It's so like very HD. The cakes, you know, the labels. Look at that one. That is so Mad Max with the nuclear explosion behind it and the huge tires. I love that one. Love the label. Love it. Yeah, it looks so good. So thank you, Aleks, for releasing another banger. Of course, we're gonna check it. We're gonna see. Who knows? Maybe it's really bad. Probably not, because I got a lot of likes. So That's very dark, so let's turn on the flashlight so you guys can actually see. Let's start with the multi-power. Like that. Love, 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 love it. Yeah, that's very Mad Max. Here we go. Oh yeah, I still have my flip lighter. Let's do something else. You know, let's do the propane. Sure. Let's do something safe, right? I've turned this off by playing it so much again. I haven't played it for a while, but getting into it again. Here we go. Multi-power. Love. Oh wow, there's even a oh wow. Oh, the sound. Oh, and the launch sound as well, and the brake sound. Look at the colors too. Oh, Aleks. Wow, that's good. It's very low, isn't it? The brakes are very low. Does it only look like that, or? No, it is, right? Oh, I love that. Oh! Oh, did you hear that salute at the end? Oh, that is so good. Wow, what a start. I love the sound. It's so good. That's gonna sound so good, like when someone else is playing it on a multiplayer map. Then you're really gonna, for one, you're gonna recognize it as well. But also, it's gonna sound really good from far away. Now we're gonna nebula, but the nebula is it's a big cake. So it's a bigger caliper. Yeah, sure. Bigger pipe things, tubes. So we're gonna start with this one, the Thunder Special. It's probably not spelled. It's just how you say it in Norway. Could be. So here we go. The special. Here we go. Love the fuse sound as well. Also afterburner. Yeah, that's cool. Afterburner on a cake. Love that. Oh, that's so good. So quiet though. It's a bit quiet, but it's... Wow, I love how they break. Oh, Aleks really progressed in his making his effects. Sick. Oh, that's so sick. Oh, that's good. Look at that. Look at that. It's so HD. It's crazy. Let's rock the sky. Love that. 25 skid. It's probably shots or something in Norwegian. Alright, the last one is this huge thing. Before we're gonna obviously check, I believe there was nothing else in it, right? No, it's really just a few cakes. Not to forget that he made burbangs as well. You guys really gotta check out that video I just made very recently. Nebulae, 16 shot. That's a lot of labels on top. Alright, here we go. This is way bigger. Way bigger size. Oh, afterburner. Look at that. I love that the afterburner slowly fades away when it's a... Yeah. There we go. Ooh, that is good. Oh, I love the golds. Oh, and look at the red strobe. And that's like... I don't know if that's... I don't know if that's a crackle. It's very faint. That's so good though. Oh wow. Oh! Wow, that's good. Oh my god, that's good. Look at that. It fades slowly. Oof. Oof, that's good. Yeah, that's obviously a bigger caliper tube there. Yeah, you can see. Oh, it's so well done though. So well done. It's probably already going to disappear, but yeah, it's kind of readable. Yeah, it's basically readable, but it's only in Scandinavian languages, but very, very good. Love it. Again, awesome label as well. Yeah, it's amazing. Looks so good. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, yeah, this is obviously going to be a more simple video because it's a very small pack. So we're probably gonna do maybe 3 every cake and then just put them all together. So let's... Okay, I'm pretty happy with this one. By the way, let's quickly change this one to medium. Let's turn off the hot. Oh, and look at all the afterburners. Here we go. Sick. felt so good. Love that. And the timing with the slow views was a little too much. I just didn't want to go, made them all go like at once. Timing of these, like both small cakes, are pretty close together. Yeah, love that. That's so good. Enjoy that a lot. And I mean, when I heard them all go off, especially the multi-bar, that one is definitely, that's a good, like, firecracker, or one of those zipper firecrackers all, fused together. That would be such a good sound as well. Oof. Just a quick review. Let's go and do that in daytime. Quick review. Again, Alex, amazing work. Just don't stop making mods for this game, because you're just getting just better. From where you started and now where we are. Especially those, I believe he made those 16-inch shells as well. These are insane. I love it. I love that. But like, yeah, this is so good. Just don't stop making mods. You're just getting better and better every time you make something new. And this just looks really good. It just looks professional. And look at the labels as well. They're very HD. Looks great. Everything is readable. That's where we're always scoring for. That's the level where we're at. So yeah, I mean, every new mod that we get, do what you want to do, and if it's good and not copyrighted or something like that, win-win. So yeah, I love it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as well. Firework Mania. I'll see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh.